Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. Now, if you have data that's being used in a production setting, like a factory or whatnot, you might have specific shifts. Now, what can happen is that you might want to only see data for a certain shift, shift A, shift B kind of thing, where it's a certain time of the day to a specific time, and then the next one is afterwards. Now, if you have a calendar control, it'd be kind of annoying to come in here and go, okay, select today, choose the hour, select the end period, choose the hour, that's the shift. Wouldn't it be nice if you could bake it in so I could only see specific shifts very quickly? Well, you can with tokens. So if you click the down arrow beside a parameter control, it will list all the available tokens. And what I've done is gone and added 3 specialized tokens for each shift. So if I select shift A, it's going to go from 8 a.m. till basically 4 a.m. Shift B will do the next one over. And you can add these tokens to the system and customize them to your own dates very easily. So let me show you how. If you go to the admin screen, under setup and tokens, you'll see that there's a list of all tokens available. And I've gone and added new script tokens in this case. So I'll show you one that I built, Shift A. So here's the script, and these aren't very hard. You could take this script and simply modify it. But basically, we build an array. We're always going to do today's data, so let's get today. And then we just build a start and an end date. So we're taking today's year, today's month, today's day at 8 a.m. Same deal, but at 4 p.m. So that would be Shift A. And you basically just make it a range full. That's the type of token for the filter that it applies to. And it's a date filter. So that's it. I'll put this code in the comments so you can grab it if you want it. But something like this is very helpful if you have custom time periods and you want to allow your users very quick access to that data. So you could build one of these up for each of your shifts very easily. Hope this helps.